Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can select specific audios for like buttons on CapCut PC. So I usually select the one under trending, and there's like a follow and like subscribe. I usually select this one, and for this specific sticker I go to sound effect and I use swish. You can also type it, by the way, if you don't want to like search it. I like to either use swish or rapid swish for this effect. You can also put in an in animation, like a bounce in animation, or an out animation as well. I like to use the bounce out one. Okay, it's pretty loud, so that's the swish one for the subscribe. Then for the like button, I usually just use the click, like the mouse click, the mouse single click. And then for the, for the thumbs up I like to use the click, and for the notification bell I like to use like the bell ding or something like that. It's pretty loud, so I need to turn it down, and I usually start it here. And don't forget the like bounce in animation. That's how you can basically like match it to your stickers, so you won't have to like find it. Here are like my favorites for like adding stuff to like the subscribe or like the like button or the comment button, stuff like that. So here it is. Just click it. Sorry, just like screenshot this if you want to, or just pause this video and just favorite them so it's easier for you to access later. That is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!